This cutting-edge device, powered by climb surface electromyography, (SEMG), detects the tiniest electrical signals your brain sends to your fingers, even when your hand doesn't visibly move. And the wristband then decodes those signals to control apps, move cursors, or even type by air handwriting, currently at 20.9 words per minute. Even cooler? Unlike older gesture control systems, Meta's tech works instantly on new users. Now, thanks to AI trained on data from thousands of people, the wristband can recognize patterns and adapt without hours of calibration. While this has obvious uses in gaming and smart homes, Meta is looking at a deeper impact, restoring independence for people with paralysis or motor impairments. And even the faintest intent to move could become a powerful command. Compared to brain implants like Neuralink, this device is pliage, non-invasive, wrist-worn, and could be commercially available within a few years. From science fiction to functional reality, Meta's innovation might just reshape how we interact with technology forever.